This is a Prescott with Knotty Alder cabinets. The house number is in the description if you'd like to refer to it. This one is going to have countertops installed on site. Therefore, it is actually getting ready to be moved, but those will be installed on site. I'll show you the sliding doors there. The bar back here. Room for your fridge. Notice the staggered cabinets. This is your Lazy Susan over here. It's a casement window, which will be above the sink. And the tape you see is what we do before we send the homes out. I've removed it in other spots today. This will be your pantry. Actually, I think it's one of two pantries that you have in this plan here. Again, the tape is right before shipping. You tape it up so the doors don't move. Here's your little nook for coffee bar, laptops, cell phone charging. This is your master. Of course, you could choose to have your 3 windows right there that we usually do above beds. This one did not. A linen. Now this customer chose to just do a tub in their master. This is the spot where your shower would be, walk-in shower, some cubbies, etc. This is what this customer chose to do. It's got the jets. And we'll go into the master closet. Wire shelving, you could make this wood shelving, should you choose, or you can do wire. And this door is fixed because it's getting ready to move, so I cannot open it up. But you can see that there are built-in shelves. It's a great spot for built-in shelves. Again, if you like this color and you're thinking of this for your onyx top, refer to the house number to your project manager and they can find it and tell you what it is. This home has colonial trim, your standard trim. So you'll notice what that will look like at your baseboards. Here you'll have 3 large windows. These are casements. In windy areas, we do recommend casements. You'll have a tighter seal and you'll have less dust in your home. Here's your hallway. Back there in the back is the laundry, which is how you'll enter the room. This door I cannot open. I'm assuming it's small. Here's your other pantry. So 2 places to store things in this one. Now you can have those shelves go all the way to the top if you want. And you can have them come all the way out here. This is the first time I've seen them left short. Obviously they're probably going to put something in that spot. We'll go to the laundry. So this is how you'd enter from the garage. This is a smaller laundry area. We'll go into one of the other bedrooms, bedroom number 2. In the background there, you can actually see how we board things up before we send them out. All your windows are boarded so that no rocks come up and hit them. Vents are closed off like we show it there. So nothing comes up, the dust doesn't come up into your house as we travel to get it to your land destination. This one has 1 window. You can choose 2. And this is the closet. Shelves. And a wire shelf. And we'll go back to the kitchen and finish this one out.